In primetime news this evening, damage from Hurricane Melissa placed at $7 billion.
Prime Minister promises politics will not decide who gets aid in relief efforts.
And coffee farmers also feeling the pinch from Melissa. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands, online at onespotmedia.com and on TVJ's YouTube channel as well. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, thank you, Janella. Several stores and hotels remain closed in Montego Bay in the aftermath of Melissa, but the Chamber of Commerce says efforts are underway to restore normalcy in the city. The details later on.
Thank you, Log. And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the West Indies will be looking to make a winning start in their T20 International Series against New Zealand tomorrow. We'll tell you more in primetime sports later.
Don't say a word. Don't say a word. Let's just leave it at that. There's also sports commentary as well as E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, Archie, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of the initial estimate suggesting Jamaica suffered $7 billion worth of damage from Hurricane Melissa?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.